Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm gonna share with you how can you set Microsoft Outlook ringtone. Ringtone means notification sound. Okay, so how can you do it? So this is Android device tutorial. So you have to install Outlook apps from Google or Google Play Store. So we need to go Outlook. You can see the interface icon here. Outlook, click on it, and after getting this interface, we need to go here. You can see. Okay, so click on it, and then second way we need to go settings. Okay, you can see here. I just notified it for your easiness. Okay, just click on it, and here we can see the option notification. Okay, click on it. Then scrolling down, and you can see the last second one, new mail sound. Okay, so when you get a new email, then you hear new mail sound. Okay, so initially it looked default Outlook email. Um, you can hear it. So if you want to change it to another ringtone, then click on it. Then go here, and here you can see, okay, a ringtone app default, and then you can choose your ringtone. Even you can select from your files if you want to set music, song, anything else. Then you can click the first one. Here you can see the select from files. Click on it, and then you can see your memory files memory which is available in your memory. Okay, so this lot of ringtone. Okay, so choose anyone from them, and then out this platform, and it will change automatically. So friend, I think you will use it for your better customization. So today is no more, and please subscribe this channel, and thank you for watching this tutorial.